Hi, grade 2. Today it will be final revision on your book for Egyptian syllabus. Okay. Today it will be final revision, grade 2 Egyptian syllabus. But before I will go to our review today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you videos. Let's go to our review today. I think your the academic year is continuing until 15 January, until 15 January. Okay, so I would like to follow me in this video to know to make a review on what we learned during this academic year or this term, to review what we took and what we learned during this period. Okay. Here we have, hello, my space is Omar. So the answer, it will be what here? I'm listing with name. I sit on a chair, you are clever pupils. The books are on the desk, you are clever pupils. My space is kind, I love my teacher. So here we say teacher. So the answer here, it will be my teacher. So I'm expressing love for my teacher. There is a space on the wall. In the wall, we see what? We see chair, wrong. Goodbye, wrong. We see desk. Can we see desk on the wall? No, it will be what? It will be here, map. At the end of the day, I say goodbye, clever pupils. I put my pencil in my pencil case. Excellent. My teacher writes on what? Or the teacher writes on what? On the board. So the answer to be in the board. I put my books in the books. I put it in bed. Is it in pencil case? Wrong. In pencil case, I put my eraser, my sharpener, my what? My pen and pencil. This is in pencil case. But my books in what? In my bag. Open the space, open the board, or open the pencil case, or open the ruler, or open the door. You are clever people, open the door. This is a space, it has 4 equal sides. We took it in mathematics. Square, excellent, you are clever people, you are clever in English and in mathematics also. This is a space, it has no sides. Which shape of geometric shapes can't have sides? It will be here, circle, you are clever pupils. This is a space, it has 3 angles. So I know 3 angles, so it will be here in Latin, we say tri. So it will be, which one is here? Triangle. So the answer here, it will be triangle. So the answer, it will be triangle. Let's go to another one. I space here. It will be here. It will be here. Stand up. He is space a song. He is singing a song. Space the door. It is space the window. It will be here. Close the window. She is space a. She is space a book. She's reading. She's reading a book. Let's go to another one. She's space in the living room. She's cleaning. She's what? She is cleaning the living room. So here it would be the verb to be. M is R plus verb plus I, and you need to be cleaning. I space a picture. I draw a picture. So here it will be what? Here it will be a picture. Can I? So here it will be she is cleaning. Why I select cleaning here? Because here we have the verb to be am is R plus verb plus ing. So the correct answer, it will be cleaning. I space a picture. I draw a picture. Let's go to another one. Space a fridge in kitchen. So here is singular. So the answer, it will be here is. We took during we learned during our lesson that we have. And there is for singular, I would like to remember you. We use there is for what? There is for singular. We use there is for singular. I would like to remember you. If you forget, you can remember with me. There is, so here singular, we have there are for plural, okay? We have there are for plural. There are for plural, okay? This is the singular and this is the plural, okay? I would like to know this. So here we have there is for singular and there are for plural. Let's continue the rest of the exercise, okay? After I finish the video, I will leave you the link of the booklet below the video to download it and answer the question again to try to practice on the in different types of questions in the exam. So here it will be here we have A. So here I talk about singular. The answer it will be is. There is a chair space the bed. It will be chair. Can the chair is on or in or under? No. The chair it will be what? It will be next to the bed. I clean my space every day. Clean what? Clean my room. We watch space in the living room. We watch what? TV or gathering in the living room and watching TV. I space my desk. Here it will be I clean my desk. I space in my notebook. It will be I write in my notebook. I space up. I what? I stand up. Here I stand up. This is a space desk. This is what? This is a big desk. It will be here. This is a big desk. So here we must to have a good sentence. We say this is a big desk. This is a big desk. I have a space eraser. Eraser. Can you remember me with here it will be one eraser. So if we have N or N, so E from what? From the vowel sound. I would like to remember you that E from what? From the vowel sound. Can you remember me with vowel sound? I would like to remember me. It will be here A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. So this called what? This called the vowel sound. Okay. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. The rest of the letters, it will be consonant sound. It will be here vowel sound. Okay. Vowels. This is called vowels. Okay. You must know this. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. I answer some of the question, not all the question and I leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework because I don't want to make the video longer to be able to watch the video more than one time. So here it will be here, one eraser. I space my father, it will be here, I help my father. My sister space TV, my sister watches. Why watches here? Because watches here will have S, and S is used for singular in the simple form. There is a space in my home. There is kitchen. The flowers are in the garden. The TV is space. The table is on the table. The bed is space. The window, it will be here next to. I space a story. I read a story. I space a picture. I draw a picture. I space my name. I write my name. Here it will be I sing a song. I space with my friends. I play with my friends after school. Okay, let's continue. I have an. It will be here. It will be. We will use one here. One in the last question. In the previous question. In this question, we use n. Why n? Because here e from vowel sound. So the correct answer it will be here eraser. There are spaces squares on the board. 3. Why? Because more than one adding s. If we have square is one square, it will be here 1. We can't adding s. Space after a triangle on the board. It will be here draw a triangle on the board. Space your hand. It will be here raise your hand. Space your name in your book. It will be here write your name. The boy is a spacey book. The boy is reading a book. There is space a lamp on the table. There it will be here there is. Why? Because we have A and A is singular. There is space chairs in the dining room. It will be here are. So here we have a kind of question which is choose the correct sentence that we write it. Can we say if this a cat, we don't have a question mark, it will be here wrong. This cat is A. This is not meaning. This is not full meaning of the sentence. Here is not have a meaning. Also, a cat is this. This is wrong. So the correct one it will be this is a cat. So let's go to another one. We say here if this is a map, this is a map. Don't put a question mark because we must, as we know, that we replace the verb instant of what instant of subject when we make a question form. So here it will be this is a map wrong. A map is this a wrong. So the answer it will be this is a map. So let's go to another one here. She teacher A. She is a teacher. A teacher is she. Teacher, she a. It will be here, she is a teacher. I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay. as we know that we learned during the lessons that the color treated as what? As the adjective and must be followed by adjective. Like this one, it will be here, it's a red cap. This is the correct one. Let's go to another kind of question. Here we have the rearrange. I would like to remember you by subject plus verb plus object. So the answer here, it will be what? So here we say my reads a sister book. So here it will be here my sister. It will be here my sister. My sister here is what? Is a subject. Okay. Where is the verb? Reads. Reads. This is the main verb. If you don't have a main verb, I can give I can put an helping verb if I need a helping verb. If I can't need a helping verb, I put the main verb as it is. So the answer to be my sister reads a book. So the answer it will be my sister reads book. Let's go to another one here. Here is to say that my watches TV. So the answer it will be my dad. I answered five of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself because it's I think 40 sentences. I think I can't able to do this, and the video is short. Okay, I would like to make the video short, don't long. Okay, so I answered some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as homework. You can see how to do this question, and you can do it by yourself. To here, my dad watches TV. I answered five of them also to see you how to do it. So here, mom, my cooks with lunch. It will be here, my mom doing what? What mom doing? Cooks what? Cooks lunch. So it will be my mom cooks lunch. Let's go to another one here. I eat in the dining room. So it will be here I. This is the subject. Where is the verb? Eat. I eat in the dining room. I eat in the dining room. To be here, I eat in the dining room. In the dining room. I eat in the dining room. So I here I eat in the dining room, and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. This family my is. So it will be here. This is my family. This is my family. This is my family. Okay, this is my family. I think now I answer five of them. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay, now we know how to apply this rule in this question to be here subject, verb, object. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. So I will answer some of them. Here is questions also. I answer some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here we have some words, and we have and we put the suitable word in the suitable part. Here we say, hello, my name. So everyone can write your name here. I sit on what? On here, it will be on a chair. I sit on a chair. The books are on the desk. It will be your desk. My space is kind. My teacher, it will be here, my teacher. Okay. We hope all of our teachers are kind, and I hope I will be kind also. Okay. There are 20 space in class. It will be here. It will be 20 students. It will be here 20 students. Let's go to another one here. There is a space on the wall. Here is what's in the wall. It will be here map. As we know during when we make a multiple choice. I sit on what? On a chair. To be here, I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. I say at the end of the day, I say goodbye. It will be the last one. Let's go to another one here. Let's go to another one. Here we say, I put my pencil in what? In my what? In my pencil case. So the answer here it will be my pencil case. My teacher write on the board. Excellent. I put my books in the bag. To be the bag. Open there. Here is open the window. Let's go to another one here. I would like to answer another question made for in this part. Here is space up. To be stand up. He is singing a song. Space the window. To be here, close the window. She's space a book. She's reading. She's reading a book. So this is my bedroom. There is a space. There is a space on the table. There is a lamp. Here it will be here lamp. There is a chair. Space the bed to be next to. Next to. Next to. I clean my room. To be here, I clean what? I clean my room. There is a space. There is a TV. There is a space. There is a bed. To be here, there is a bed. There is a bed in the bedroom. It will be there is a bed in the bedroom. In the bedroom. There is a bed in the bedroom. There is a bed in the bedroom. We watch here. We watch TV in what? In the living room. It will be here in the living room. It will be here. To be here the bed in the living. To be there is. We watch TV in the living room. Okay. I think it's enough today to answer here. I leave the rest to do it by yourself. If we have any questions, I'm able to answer. Send it to me below the video to answer the questions, okay? To answer any questions, okay? Today we end from our review today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.